This is always so hard to open. Come on. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is a beautiful day because we're gonna be trying out the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. Yeah, I am gonna be putting heat to my hair. I haven't done that in maybe 7 months now, so I'm a little nervous, but I have been itching to have my hair straightened. Going back to, you know, my high school days and middle school days when I used to hair straight the crap out of my hair. But it looks like this. Oh, it's hot in here. I've never used this before, so this is going to be a very fun experience for us to have together. Right now I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. Still wet, still in its glory. So all I have to do is brush it, comb through it, and then we can get started. I picked this up at Ulta. So let's see. Hopefully it doesn't do too much craziness to my hair because, you know, I don't know, I'm scared. I haven't straightened my hair in forever. I'm trying to be natural. I'm trying to let my curls do its thing, but right now I'm just really itching to have straight hair because I don't know. That's how we are, aren't we? Like, we want things that we shouldn't be having, and I'm rambling on. Let's get to showing these how these done. Okay, let's go watch this. So far, I already what do you call that? I already added like the heat protecting oil that I got at Sally's way back when. So that's already in my hair. I'm gonna start sectioning it. My mirror is right in here, so since I don't have fine comb toothbrush, fine brush, whatever, I'm gonna be using this to just section off my hair. And I think I'm gonna do 2 sections first, and then when I'm working on one, then I'll divide that one. So let's see. I do have a little bottle, a little spray of water here, just in case, you know, this side starts getting dry before I get to touch it, because I don't think you want to do this with dry hair. Now this, I'm gonna do something like that. Put this away somewhere. Forget about it for now. And this one, I'm gonna section on, just as if like I am gonna be straightening my hair, so small section at a time. It's gonna be interesting to see how I get to my little sideburns. You know, like how am I gonna catch that? We don't know, but let's see, let's find out. Let's get this baby started. Come on, let's go. The on and off, it's here. I am starting on low because my hair is, even though it's very curly, it's really thin. So let's go. I don't know how fast I'm supposed to go. I mean, right off the bat, yes, it's drying my hair, but it's not doing it like slick as I would want it to, right? It's puffy a little bit. I'm just gonna still do a couple more swipes in this one, but you can still see like a little bit of frizziness in there. But so far my hair doesn't feel like super hot as how it normally is when I am straightening. You know, when you're passing that hot ass iron straightening tool towards it and then you touch your hair, it's always burning. It's not doing that, so it's a good thing. But I'm gonna do a couple swipes and then we shall see. Turn it on. Just gonna let that be for right now and do another section. Throw it back. Forget about that one. I mean, this is the first time I'm ever doing something where I'm working with my wet hair and getting it dry. Like, I never blow dry my own hair or anything like that, so it's a new experience. All right. So let me come through and make sure no tangles or anything. Nope. All right, turn this puppy on. Blow. I don't know how to feel. I don't know. Like, it's dry, but it's not straight, you know. So, we'll see. We'll see. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. Alright, I'm gonna do this piece and then after that I'm just gonna fast forward through everything because I don't think you want to see me here for maybe 45 minutes doing the same thing. So let's do it. What are we thinking? so far. Okay, so the next, what I'm gonna do right now is I am going to, sorry, let me see. It's pulling my hair up. It's in my hair. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do most of it, fast forward through most of it, and then when I'm about a quarter away from finishing, we'll be right back, okay? Wait for me. I am 3/4 done. 3/4, 3 whole quarters. And this is what I look like so far. Bum, bum, bum. It's a little frizzy. But I'm not gonna lie. Hold on. Come here. Come here. I'm not gonna lie. I was about to give up because in my head, I'm like, slick, no frizz, no nothing, all of that. You know, when I use a straightening iron, that's what I was thinking that was gonna happen, but it's not. But, sorry. But so far, this is what I look like, you know. I wanted volume, so I am getting that, so I'm not mad at it. Let's continue on with the little left that I got here, and then let's see the final results. We'll see. Go back, go back, go back. No, go back. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's go. Como dice el chavo, lo sospeché desde un principio. My baby hairs, yeah, it's not getting as many. Like my sideburns too, my baby hairs and sideburns, they're staying. They're staying. They don't want to go straight, they want to stay curly. So, let's see. We're almost there. Doesn't help that it's hot as today. It is hot, so whoa. Don't want my eyebrow to disappear. Like I have hair on my face. So comfortable. Let's see one more like this. My hair is gonna be so mad at me because I said I was gonna be done with heat on my hair, and here I am doing it again. But trust me, after this, it's gonna be probably like another 3 more months before I do it. Watch, I'm gonna do it again soon. I know it, but I'm trying to stop myself from it. Just let me get this out of the system right now, you know, try this out, and then hopefully it's over for me with the curl, with straightening. We pray. My arm is getting tired. Whew. Whew. The bottom of it, because I'm sweating, it's getting so frizzy. So frizzy. Let's see. Look at that. Look at the ends. Look at that. It's not peeling. Yeah, that's crazy. Come on, I'm almost done. Gotta keep going. All right. That's it. No more. Tap out on the heat. Okay, so I am finishing up with the renewing argan oil of Morocco. The extra penetrating oil, dry and coarse hair. Looks like this. I'm gonna use that a little bit on the top and definitely a lot on my ends because it's gonna need it. Let's see. Something like this to start off, just for the top. Warm it up with your hands. And then oh, it smells so good. So good. And then grab it from the side. Just work it in there. Then a tiny bit for my ends. That's it. Never ever put too much on the near your scalp because you know your scalp is the first thing to get oily. But my hands definitely need it to dry. But I'm not 100% mad. I mean, I got straight hair, girls, guys, everyone. I got straight hair. Look at this. Oh my god, my hair's so long. You can't really tell when, you know, because of my curly hair, but wow. My hair's getting long, my face is getting clear. I mean, I'm living the American dream right now. Okay. My hands are oily now. Just trying to, my scalp, my scar from surgery, but anyways. Am I done? Yeah, I'm done. But anyways, this is the final results. Look at this. Take a look at this. I mean, it's a little frizzy, I'm not gonna lie. But I have really curly hair. Like, I'm gonna put in a picture of my hair when it's fully dry and, you know, how the curls look and everything. But yeah, I mean, look at this. Look at this, people. Look at this. I think you just gotta get used to it, you know? Like, I give props, a lot of props now to the hair salon industry when you're blow drying and going at it. Like, I see, I hear you now. But wow, it's like my hair. Look at this. Can't stop touching it. Can't stop touching it. Can't stop touching it. Wait. What? Anyways, this is it. This is the video. This did this. How crazy. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want me to try something else that doesn't include my hair, please. Nothing to do with heat on the hair, because I'm trying to keep my hair as healthy as possible. But just let me know. Maybe I'll do it. Maybe. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. I'm holding this like if I won a trophy. Let me know what you guys think about it. I hope you like the video. Let me know if you're gonna try it. And if you live near me and you're willing to try it, I'll lend you this one. No problem. I forgot to show you my little ratatouille. 1 second. Here's, ooh, don't go anywhere. Here's what it looks like. A little ratatouille. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Tell your friends to come over and watch. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It's free. You don't have to do much. Just click right there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. See you next week. Bye.